So, hey guys, what's up? It's Kailee. Welcome back to my vlogging channel. So I just finished filming a main channel video, and that is up right now. But I have to do one of my other chores. I did one of them, but I have to do the other one. That was kind of confusing. So I'm gonna go do that. Yeah, my bed's not made. It's just trying to grab it, but the blanket is in the way. Oh, where is it? Where'd it go? Okay, alright. That's not at the blanket though. Here it is. Are you happy? Didn't know where it was at first, huh? Alright guys, it's 5:53. I'm kind of rushing for cheer, so I have to go. Bye. Hey guys, so it's now September 2nd. I almost dropped you guys. Oh my god, this is my bad hand. Why do I keep doing that? I really did not vlog yesterday, because since I vlogged so late, and then I was, I filmed a video, and then, well, that was before I vlogged, and then I just, I was doing chores and then getting ready for cheer, and then I cleaned my room, and yeah, so I really did not vlog. So sorry about that, but it's a 2-day vlog. So yeah, Corinne's birthday's today, and I have her birthday, well,
she has 2 birthday parties. She's having one today and then one tomorrow, but she can only invite one friend to each one. So today she's bringing Caitlin, which you've seen in her last birthday party, in my vlog last year at her birthday party. You've seen Caitlin. She brought Caitlin to the fair because she promised Caitlin, and it doesn't really matter anyways because I don't think both of them went to the fair yet this year, and I already did, so it doesn't matter. And then tomorrow I'm going to the beach with her. So yeah, I will vlog that. And then Sunday I have my first cheer game of this year. Monday, I don't really know anything for Monday. Wednesday, practice again. And actually Wednesday's the first day of school. I'm not ready to wake up at 6 in the morning. But alright, well, that's all I had to tell you guys. I just kind of woke up. It's 1:38, so yeah. Do you see what I mean when I'm not ready to wake up at 6? Yeah. Alright, well, I don't know what to do. I'm tired. Well, I'm not really tired, but see my voice, is I tired? I might practice those cheer moves, their routine moves. Actually, you know what? I'll vlog their routine moves. They're really cool.
Okay, so we're adding more to these, I heard, but this is just what we have so far. 5, 6. Oh, okay, I almost forgot the first move. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's just what we have so far, but it's really cool. Okay, so a few weeks ago, I told you guys that I was going to be working on a puzzle, and yeah, don't think about that. I have not been working on it. Hope came over when we went to the fair, like I told you guys, and the night before we went to the fair, we were gonna work on it. It was late at night, and then Hope was getting tired, so yeah, we started getting somewhere, but not even close to being done, at all. So, okay, so after covering from that fall, I still have the puzzle pieces, everywhere. So I have, the purple type ones here, I have the blue and green ones in the box, and then I have down here the silver ones. I just kind of put them in different spots so that I didn't have to color code them again. 25 reasons why I love you. Yep. Hey guys, so I'm just texting Corinne because it's her birthday. She just got, well, I don't know if she's home, but she's in the car heading home from the fair. So basically, like I said, I'm going to the beach with her tomorrow. And it's a beach where there's rides, so I'm gonna ask her if we're riding rides. I'm gonna turn this up, it's bugging me. Okay. So I can't say what beach, obviously, because that'd just be like too much. Okay, she said, I don't know, maybe. I'm gonna say, are we going in the water? I don't know, just asking. Because I literally have no idea. I literally just found out what beach we're going to. Oh, there's Caitlin. Guys, you have to watch this. I hope she does it again. Okay, go get your ball. Go get it. Roxy, go get your ball. Go get it. Oh, Roxy, come here. She like jumped up and grabbed it. Go get your ball. Go get it. Go get it. Roxy, get your ball. Oh, no, you have to grab it. Go get your ball. Roxy, go get your ball. Yay, that's what she did. Good girl. You're such a good girl. She's like, no, I want to play. Good. Are you tired now? Alright, drop it. Yeah, I put her fracked up football up here. Alright, so I'll put these right here. Can you drop it right here? Drop it right here. Roxy, put it right here. Roxy. She's like, I always drop it right here, so I don't really know what you're talking about. Alright, drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Good girl. And one time, she dropped it in front of the door, and as she went in, she quickly, like, okay, so she dropped it, and then as soon as I opened the door, she's like, oh! And she grabbed it again. I was like, Roxy, you're not supposed to be doing that. But overall, she's been good with that. Overall. But I would probably expect her to do it again, just because that's what she does. But, okay. I'm just gonna sit here. Roxy's probably gonna come out. Yep. She opened the door for herself. So cool. She opens the door by herself. It's like so cool. Maybe I can put the camera facing towards the door and then come over here to sit down, and then it'll record her opening it because it's so cute. She just like uses her nose. She's like, and she opens the door. Roxy, do you want to do some opening door tricks? We can go in for real. Why would I leave you guys? Come on, let's go in. Hey guys, whoa, my hair. I'm just eating some cake right now. I know you like cake with your hand wet. No, they're just all like pieces like this that you can just grab and eat. It's really, really good. So
I might just end the vlog here. Roxy just looked at the iPad. I'm honestly probably gonna end the vlog here, because I have vlogged a lot today, at least that's what I think, and I don't really know how much, like, what the time is gonna be, like how long it's gonna be. So I'm kind of questioning if I should. Well, I was questioning if I should still vlog or just end it here. So I'm gonna end it here. If it's not that long, it's okay. At least I still vlogged a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you tomorrow.
I just hit my nose. Bye.